Good morning students, this is your Pooja ma'am and today we are going to study that is difference or sum of place values. Okay, difference or sum of place values. How to calculate difference and how to calculate the sum of place values. And for that we have to have a quick recap of our place value chart. So this is your Indian place value chart that we have done in our last class. Clear? And I have also taught you how to make place value system chart. So now you have to make these columns. Clear? Where you have periods on the top, crore, lakhs, thousands and ones. So you have to make separate column for it. Okay? Ones period, thousands period, lakhs periods and crores period. Clear? Now under ones period there are three columns. Can you see? That is three places. Ones place, tens place and hundreds place. Under thousands there are two places. That is thousands place and 10,000s place. Lakhs period also has two places. That is lakhs places and 10 lakhs places. And crores period, that is crores place and 10 crores place. So in our last class we have learnt the periods and places of the digits. Clear? Now ones period consists of three places. Thousands period consists of two places, lakhs period consists of two places and crores period consists of two places. And the most important thing, while writing a number, we separate periods by using commas. So this concept we have done it in our last class. Clear? Now how to calculate difference or sum of place values. Okay. Now let's take example 1, that is find the difference in the place values of two sixes in the number 78 crore 54 lakhs 36,156. Okay, we have to find the place values and we have to find the difference between the two place values. Clear? So where do we find sixes here? We find 6 here and we find it here. Okay, so let's move on to the solution. So I have to make three columns, that is the three columns that I have made. Here I will write the number, this number I'll write here, then I'll write the place values of the underlined digits and then I'll find the difference work. So when you get this kind of question, you have to show the three columns and you have to show the difference, the working of the difference, which is very important. Clear? So let's write the number here. It is 78 crore 54 lakhs 36,156. And what I'm going to do next, I'm going to write the places on the top. Ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore, 10 crore. And then I'm going to underline the sixes. Clear? So this 6 is in thousands place. So what is the place value of this 6? 6 multiplied 1000 will give you 6,000. Clear? And the second underlined digit is again a 6. So 6 is in ones place. So 6 multiplied by 1, it is 6. So I have got two place values here, that is 6,006. Now I'll find out the difference. 6,000 minus 6. Clear? So what will I do? I have to borrow here. So 5, 10, Okay, so it has become now 10. 10 minus 6 is 4. Then 9 comes down. Again 9 comes down and 5. Clear? So my answer here is therefore my answer is 5994. Understood? Now let's take example 2, that is find the sum of the place values of 5s in the number given. Okay, so in the number given, so we have to find out the sum of the place values of 5s. So can you see where are the 5s here in this number? That is 5 is here, 5 is here and 5 is here. So there are 3 5s given here. So we have to find the sum. So what is the meaning of sum? Sum meaning to add. Clear? So we have to find the total number. So let's move on to the solution. For the solution you have to make 3 columns again. The same way how we have solved the differences, and the same way we will be solving the sum also. Okay, for that we have to make 3 columns here, where in the first column you will write the number, second column you will write the place values, and in the third column you will be showing the sums working. Clear? So 3 columns is very important. So let's write the number here. The number is 75,49,535. Clear? So the next step I'm going to do, I'm going to write the places on the top. Ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh and 10 lakh. Clear? Next I'm going to underline the digits. That is 5, 5 and 5. So my first 5 is in lakhs period. Okay, it's in lakhs place. So my first 5 is in lakhs place. So 5 multiplied by lakh will give you 5 lakh. Okay, so what is the place value of 5 lakh here? It is 5 lakh in digits. Clear? The second number is in hundreds. So 5 is in hundreds place. So 5 multiplied 100 is 500. Okay, and the third digit 5 is in ones place. So 5 multiplied by 1 is 5. So I have got my 3 place values, that is 5 lakh, 500 and 5. Clear? Now I am going to find out the sum here. So I'll write 5 lakh. Then I'm going to write 500. Then I'm going to write 5. Going to add it. So 5, 0 comes down, 5 comes down, then again 0 comes down, 0 comes down and 5. So my answer is 5,505. Therefore, the sum of the place values of 5 is 5,505. This is my answer. Understood? This is the way you are going to solve differences as well as the sum of the place values. Clear, students?